Hi guys, welcome to the video. As you can tell by the title and by what I'm wearing, today I am going to be showing you guys all of my cute and fun Halloween costumes for 2022. I'm so excited to show you guys these, and please comment what you think, comment your favorite, comment any other ideas you have for next YouTube videos, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and yeah, like this video if you like it. Comment if you like Pikachu.